In this video, we're going to explore the best methods for cleaning a bathtub effectively. Maintaining a clean bathtub is crucial for ensuring a hygienic bathroom environment, whether you're dealing with soap scum, hard water stains, or just routine maintenance. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your bathtub sparkles. A dirty bathtub can become a breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and mildew, which can lead to unpleasant odors and potential health risks. Regular and thorough cleaning is crucial to prevent the buildup of grime and to maintain a sanitary bathroom. Start by assembling all the necessary cleaning supplies. You'll need a non-abrasive bathroom cleaner or a natural alternative like vinegar or baking soda, a scrubbing brush or sponge, rubber gloves to protect your hands, a spray bottle for any homemade cleaners, and soft cloths for drying and polishing the bathtub. Clear all personal items such as shampoos, soaps, toys, and bottles from around the bathtub. This ensures that you have full access to the entire surface of the tub and prevents any items from getting contaminated with cleaning agents. Generously apply your chosen cleaner across the surface of the bathtub. If you're using a homemade solution like a mix of vinegar and water, ensure it's evenly sprayed over all areas. For stubborn spots, consider sprinkling baking soda on top of the vinegar for a little extra scrubbing power. Using a scrubbing brush or sponge, vigorously scrub the surfaces of the bathtub. Focus on areas that accumulate more grime, such as around the drain, edges, and along the waterline. For smaller, harder-to-reach areas, a toothbrush can be a helpful tool for detailed scrubbing. After scrubbing, rinse the entire bathtub thoroughly with warm water to ensure that all the cleaning residue is removed. It's important to rinse away any leftover cleaner to avoid leaving slippery surfaces behind. Use a soft cloth or towel to dry the bathtub completely. This helps prevent water spots and the growth of mildew. For extra shine, you can buff the surface with a microfiber cloth, which will enhance the bathtub's appearance and make it look brand new. Once your bathtub is clean and dry, replace all your bath products, ensuring they are clean as well. Regularly cleaning these items helps to maintain a fresher bathroom environment overall. Cleaning your bathtub regularly is a simple yet effective way to ensure a clean and comfortable bathroom. By following these steps, you can tackle various types of dirt and stains, ensuring that your bathtub is always ready for use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.